Hello students, today in the lecture series of class 11 chapter 1 sets, we are going to start with exercise 1.3. But before that, I am going to tell you certain definitions. Let us start with the subsets first. What do you mean by subset? A set is said to be a subset of B if A belongs to, or we can take X. If X belongs to A, that must implies that X must belongs to B also. If every element of A is an element of B, then we say that A is a subset of B. We can say that A is a subset of B if every element of A is an element of B also. Then we say that A is a subset of B. And A is, this is called A is a proper subset of B. Proper subset of B. And if you want to prove that A is equals to B, तो आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? That must imply if and only if A is a proper subset of B and B is a proper subset of A. अगर आप A को B का proper subset प्रूव कर देते हैं एंड B को A का proper subset प्रूव कर देते हैं, then we can imply that A is equals to B. And if A is equals to B, then we can imply that A is a proper subset of B and B is a proper subset of A. Now let us start with how many number of subsets are there in a set. If the number of sets in A is M, that will imply number of subsets of A is equals to 2 raised to power M. We can take an example. Let A is 1, 2. तो अगर आप इसके सबसेट्स बनाओगे A के, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you will get phi is a subset of A because phi के अंदर जो भी एलिमेंट है that is an element of A also. Then the singleton set 1 is a subset of A. Then singleton set B is a subset of A, and also itself A itself is a subset of A. So the A has 4 subsets. Cardinal value of A is 2. So the number of subsets will be 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, and these are the 4 subsets. Now I am going to give you another definition, that is of power set. What do you mean by a power set? The set, and it is denoted by power set of A. The set of all subsets of A is called the power set of A. The set of all subsets of A is called the power set of A. The set of all subsets of A is called power set of A. Now let us start with exercise 1.3, question number 1. Your question is match the correct statement by filling either a subset of or not a subset of in the filling blank spaces. Your first question is either 2, 3, 4 is a subset of this set or not a subset of this set. We will check each and every element of first set. 2 belongs to this also, 3 belongs to this also, 4 is also an element of this. So this is a subset of this set. Now let us consider A does not belongs to this set. So this set is not a subset of this set. Now X is a student of class 11 of your school. तो आपका स्कूल का स्टूडेंट है, क्लास 11 का है पर्टिकुलरली, बट यहाँ पर कौन सा सेट है? X इज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ योर स्कूल. तो देखो यहाँ से कोई भी क्लास 11 का स्टूडेंट अगर आप उठाओगे तो वो स्टूडेंट तो स्कूल का स्टूडेंट होगा ही. सो दिस एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस इज एन ऑल्सो एन एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस. सो दिस इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस सेट. X such that X is a circle in the plane. तो यहाँ पर सारे सर्कल्स हैं एक प्लेन में, और एंड X such that X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. यहाँ पर एक स्पेसिफिकली रेडियस 1 यूनिट के सर्कल्स हैं. तो सपोज यहाँ से रेडियस 2 यूनिट का एक सर्कल लेते हैं, दैट इज नॉट एन एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट. सो दिस इज नॉट अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस. X such that X is a triangle in the plane is, this is the set of all triangles in the plane, and this is the set of all rectangles in the plane. तो अगर आप ट्राइंगल एक पिक करते हैं, that does not belongs to the set of rectangles. So this is not a subset of this. Now X such that X is an equivalent triangle in the plane. यहाँ पर equivalent triangles हैं सारे, and X such that X is a triangle in the same plane. तो कोई भी equivalent triangle आप यहाँ से इस सेट से लेते हैं, that will also be an element of this set also. So every equivalent triangle is also a triangle. So this is a subset of this. Next, X such that X is an even natural number and X is an integer. अब even natural number का set क्या होता है आपका? 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, 10 and so on, and they all are the coming in the set of integers. So this is a subset of this. Your second question is, examine whether the following statements are true or false. Your first statement is AB is not a subset of BCA. Let us check whether A is an element of this set. Yes. B is also an element of this set. So this set is a subset of this set. So this statement is false. Secondly, the set AE is a subset of the set X such that X is a vowel in the English alphabet. ये set आपका क्या होगा? This is the set equals to AEIOU, AEIOU, और आप देखेंगे A also belongs to this set, E also belongs to this set. So this set is a subset of this set. So this statement is true. Third one is 1, 2, 3 is a subset of 1, 3, 5. 1 is an element of this set. 2 is not an element of this set. So this cannot be a subset of this set. So this statement is false. Next, the set A is a subset of ABC. इस set का एक element है और that is also an element of this set. So this statement is true. Fifth one is the set A belongs to this set. Belongs to का मतलब होता है ये जो भी लिखा है that should be an element of this set, but set A is not an element of this set. A एक element नहीं है इस set का, so this statement is false. And sixth one is X such that X is an even natural number less than 6. ये आपका कौन सा set हो जाएगा? Even natural number less than 6, 2, 4, and your this set is X such that X is a natural number which divides 36. Natural number which divides 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6, then 12, then 36, 18 and 36. This is the set, the all divisors of 36. Now 2 belongs to this set, 4 belongs to this set. So this set is a subset of this set. So this statement is also true. Now your third question is, let A is the set which contains 1 as an element, 2 as an element, a set 3, 4 is an element and 5 as an element. Now which of the following statements are incorrect, and you have to give the reason also why they are incorrect. Your first statement is the set 3 4 is a subset of A. Let us check 3 whether 3 is an element of A. No, so this is not a subset of this. तो ये आपकी जो statement है ये incorrect है. And why? Because आप छोटा सा एक एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. बिकॉज 3 इज नॉट एन एलिमेंट ऑफ ए. each and every element of this set must be an element of this for being a subset. Now let us check the set 3 4 belongs to A. belongs to का मतलब ये जो होना चाहिए ये this should be an element of A. Let us check whether the set 3 4 is an element of A. Yes, 3 4 is an element of A. So this statement is correct. Now the set 3 4, the set containing 3 4 is a subset of A. अब देखो ये एक सेट दूसरे का सबसेट तब होता है जब इसका हर एक एलिमेंट इसका भी एलिमेंट हो. नाउ लेट अस चेक दिस एलिमेंट 3 4. the set 3 4 also belongs to A. So this is a subset of A. So this statement is also correct. Now 1 belongs to A. That means whether 1 is an element of A. Yes, 1 is an element of A. So this statement is also correct. Now 1 is a subset of A. सबसे पहले एक सबसेट होने के लिए 1 should be a set, but 1 is not a set. 1 is an element. So this statement is incorrect. Now next one is whether 1 2 5 is a subset of A. Let us check 1. 1 is an element of A, 2 is an element of A, 5 is an element of A. So this is a subset of A. So this statement is correct. Now the set 1 to 5 belongs to A. Whether 1 to 5, the set 1 to 5, this set is an element of A. देखो A के elements 1 है, 2 है, set 3 4 है and 5 है. Set 1 to 1 to 5 is not an element of A. So this statement is incorrect. Next, the set 1 2 3 is a subset of 3. Let us check 1. 1 is an element of A, 2 is an element of A, but 3 is not an element of A. ये 3 4 एक set बना हुआ है, but 3 individually is not an element of A. So this is not a subset of this. Next, 5 belongs to A. That means 5 should be an element of A. No, 5 is not an element of A. 5 is not an element of A. So this statement is also incorrect. Next, 5 is a subset of A. Yes, जब आप A के subsets बनाते हैं तो मैंने आपको बताया था A में अगर 4 एलिमेंट्स है तो 2 raised to power 4 सबसेट्स विल बी देयर. और सबसे छोटा सबसेट आपका नल सेट ही होता है. नल सेट इज वन ऑफ द सबसेट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी सेट. So 5 is a subset of A. So this statement is correct. Next, the set containing 5 is a subset of A. देखो एक सेट दूसरे का सबसेट तब होता है जब इसका हर एक एलिमेंट इसके अंदर भी हो. whether 5 is an element of A. No, 5 is not an element of A. So this statement is incorrect. Your fourth question is write down all the subsets of the following sets. Now your first set is A. इसके अंदर आपका इस सेट के अंदर यू हैव जस्ट 1 एलिमेंट. सो नंबर ऑफ सबसेट्स विल बी 2 raised to power 1. इसके 2 ही सबसेट्स होंगे. तो let us write down the subsets of this set. Your first subset is 5 and other is itself. इसके अलावा इसके कोई subsets नहीं होंगे, 2 ही subsets होंगे. Now the number of elements in the second set is 2. So there are 2 raised to power 2. 4 subsets will be there, and the subsets will be first is 5, then the singleton set A, the singleton set B, and itself is a subset of this. Now the third one is 1 2 3. Now it has 3 elements, so the number of subsets will be 2 raised to power 3, that is 8, and they are, first one is 5, Second one is singleton set 1, singleton set 2, singleton set 3, then pairs 1 2, then 1 3, then 2 3, and then itself is a subset. So they are the 8 subsets of this set. Now the fourth one is phi, and phi doesn't have any elements. So it has how many subsets? 2 raised to power 0, that is one subset. So the only subset of this set is itself only, phi. Now the fifth question is how many elements has power set of A? If A is phi, अगर phi A आपका कोई set phi है तो number of elements in phi is 0. So the number of subsets will be 2 raised to power 0, that is only 1. So students, I hope you must be enjoying studying with me. Keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.